With 96% of employees willing to travel for business again, now is the right time to reassess your current travel program. SAP Concur Solutions can help you make exponential leaps in strategy, process, and technology to fit the new spending and travel reality. By reinventing how you manage travel and spending, you can better prepare your travelers and put the right policies in place to improve compliance and reduce unnecessary spending across your company. Here are a few best practices for your updated travel program. Do plan ahead for change and be adaptable. Do set up pre-trip approvals to control costs before money goes out the door. Do encourage your team to book all travel inside your SAP Concur solution so that everyone can benefit from negotiated rates and enhanced safety features. Do help travelers to make smart, safe choices with tools that communicate employee locations, get them to safety during an emergency, and make expense reporting easy and convenient. Do leverage existing travel data to adjust your policies to adhere to current market and safety conditions. And don't forget to check in regularly with your employees and get feedback on your program. Balancing compliance, flexibility, and safety might feel like an impossible balancing act, but with SAP Concur Solutions, your organization can effectively manage travel and drive cost savings. To learn more, please contact your account manager today.